Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your phone is ready. Open Android Auto and grant location, microphone, and phone permissions so Google Maps can run without interruption. Once done, pair your phone to the car via Bluetooth or plug in with a reliable USB cable. A flaky cable causes disconnects. Make sure your car's infotainment system supports Android Auto and is set to accept connections. This upfront preparation prevents handshake errors and gets you into navigation quickly. Now connect and launch Google Maps. Select Android Auto on the car's display, then tap the Maps icon to open navigation. If you prefer hands-free, press the voice button and say your destination. Voice reduces distraction while driving. Once Maps loads, choose route options like fastest, avoid tolls, or avoid highways so the app aligns with your preferences. Make sure traffic and route preview are visible. That gives you time to adjust before you start moving. During the trip, follow turn-by-turn instructions and listen to voice guidance so you can keep your eyes on the road. If conditions change, tap to reroute or use voice to update destinations. Maps recalculates to save time. If audio or map freezes, try these quick fixes. Swap the USB cable, restart your phone, or toggle Bluetooth and Android Auto permissions. If issues persist, reboot the car's head unit after pulling over. That usually clears lingering connection bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.